Indian IT Act highlights. The Information Technology Act, 2000, IT Act, is a comprehensive legislation in India that addresses various aspects of electronic governance, electronic commerce, and cybercrime. It was enacted to provide legal recognition and regulation for electronic transactions, facilitate electronic filing of documents, and create a legal framework to deal with cybercrimes. Here are some key features and provisions of the Indian IT Act. Cybercrime offences and penalties. The IT Act criminalizes various cyber activities and provides penalties for offences such as unauthorized access to computers, data theft, hacking, spreading of viruses, cyberstalking, identity theft, and online fraud. Data protection and privacy. The IT Act includes provisions related to data protection and privacy, although it does not provide a comprehensive framework like the proposed Personal Data Protection Bill. Computer Emergency Response Team, CERT-In. The IT Act establishes the Indian Computer Emergency Response Team, CERT-In, which serves as the national nodal agency for responding to cybersecurity incidents and coordinating emergency response efforts.